petitioners cornering the centre in the Supreme Court over the Pegasus snooping scandal. The centre, in an affidavit, has today stated that they are ready to set up an expert committee to look into the allegations of snooping, but has flatly denied all allegations. In fact, in its affidavit, the centre has said that there was no illegal snooping whatsoever, and all allegations of illegal surveillance that were published in a widely publicized media report are in fact incorrect and false. Interestingly, however, the Apex Court bench headed by the Chief Justice of India himself has questioned the centre about the affidavit that has been filed. The CJI-led bench has asked whether the government will be filing any further detailed affidavit, because according to the petitioners, this affidavit does not sufficiently address all the questions and concerns that have been raised. In addition, the Apex Court also questioned what would be the terms of reference and the various aspects that will be covered by this committee, which could be set up to look into the entire issue. Interestingly, the Solicitor General has passed the buck to the Apex Court, with Solicitor General Tushar Mehta saying that the court could lay down the terms of reference of this committee, because the government is very clear that nothing wrong was ever done, and the court could lay down the terms of reference of the committee so that the apprehensions of the petitioners that the committee could be staffed with government officials who will take the government side could also be allayed. The matter is for now adjourned for further hearing on Tuesday, as the court is still asking questions and the petitioners are raising concerns. Kapil Sibal, senior advocate and senior political leader, also questioned why the government, in their affidavit or otherwise, has refused to admit at all whether any surveillance was done or not. So far, all the answers given by the government simply state that only official approval for surveillance can be done, and there is no such thing as permission for unofficial or widespread surveillance. The petitioners are asking a simple question: was Pegasus software ever used by the government, and was any person ever put under surveillance by the government using this software? No answer has been given so far to this question, but the Solicitor General did pose an interesting question. If the government says no surveillance was ever approved by the government, will these petitioners then withdraw their petitions and the politicians withdraw their objections, which have stalled Parliament for such a long time?